Hello dear subscribers, today I will show you how you can easily fix your error with Windows 10 update. So it's error 1909. So how you can fix it? First you need to go to search tab and just write in search tab troubleshoot. So after you will see troubleshoot settings, open it, and here you choose troubleshoot and go to Windows Update and choose run the troubleshooter. What it means? It means that it will open automatical detecting problems and just fixing corrupting files, some errors, missing files, and it will automatically fix it. So after you see list of your errors, you just need to restart your computer and everything will works. So another thing you can also check is just to go to search tab and just write services and just go to services. And in services you just need to scroll down to Windows Update. Find the here service with name Windows Update. So just scroll. So here you can see Windows Update. Just click on it, right click on mouse and choose properties, and here must be status type automatic, service status running, and just must be start. If not, just from here choose automatic and just click on start and just click OK. So another thing you can also do is just click restart. It means that it will automatically stop the service and run it again. So I hope it will help you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.